sacrificing your time to be here and to bless us. I second everything John said. The music was so beautiful that we could have ended it and it would have been a blessed night for everyone. But just a few thoughts. In the temple, every time I go to the temple, no matter what session it is, whether it's an early morning session, it's an evening session, or it's an afternoon session, I look to the left as we're preparing for the session, and I always notice that there are more women than there are brothers. And I can say for generally speaking, that's true for about 99% of the time I'm in the temple. And I second everything that's being said, but I think of the words that the prophet Joseph Smith said here as he was organizing the Relief Society. He said, "The church was never perfectly organized until the women were thus organized." The church was never properly or perfectly organized until the women were thus organized. Us brethren couldn't put on these type of functions like this, and they would turn out this good. And so I testify with the prophet that the sisters are what make us whole. The sisters are what make us perfect. I know that's true for my case with my wife. 99% of the production is because of my wife in our house, and so I appreciate that. I'm super appreciative. My aunt came visited our ward last year. I came during ward conference, and she said, "Oh, who's the Relief Society